Learners, hope you all are doing great practice on your end. Today is the day 9 of our challenge, and currently I don't have any topic, but the everything I will discuss in this video will come from the inner side. I have not pre-decided anything. In the last videos, I used to do some practice before, and I also used to decide some topics to cover. I prepared some bullet points to cover, but today I have not covered anything. That which type of things I will do, which type of things I'm going to share in this video, right? So, but today when I was doing practice of extempore and in mirror speaking practice, so I was talking about my routine, what I have decided, what I have pasted on the wall on the paper. So I realized that when I was living outside my home, then I was very near to follow that routine time to time. But now, when I have come to my home, so it's been 3 days and I have forget that completely. That I have a routine in my phone and in the wall to be followed. I have some targets to complete. I have some goals to meet them on the deadlines. So this happens when when I did introspection. Then I realized that it is the lack of uncomfort zone. It is the lack of your uh, realization of goal, realization of your age, your success, right? uh, when you are at home you think that it's all okay, everything is okay, you don't feel any responsibilities on yourself, right? Because everything goes in a smooth way. But when you go out of the home, you realize your responsibilities, and you feel you, you feel that how faster your age is living, your age is growing day by day. Every single day you will realize that I have become so much younger now. So this realization is very much important when we harbor big goals, when we have some targets to achieve, right? So that's only the thing I was thinking today. So make sure that you are not living in your comfort zone. If you think that this is your comfort zone, make a system right now to be self disciplined, because that is only the self discipline who can sorry which can make you out of your comfort zone, or go out of your comfort zone immediately, because it will never let you do hard work to achieve your success, to achieve your goals. And success is necessary, we have to go for that anyhow. If we have to pay anything for that, we will pay, but we will never compromise with our success, with our goals, right? uh, that's fine. And have you made your regular habits to improve your English, as I am doing? Like, have you started reading English? Have you purchased any books or reading in phone? Have you started doing practice of extempore in front of mirror? If not, so do it now, because this is the right time. Your mind will never make you prepare to start at the right time. It will also procrastinate you to do the right things later, but it will always push you to do the negative things right now. feel the tendency of your mind, what it always do with you. You know why you don't feel getting early in the morning? That is the reason. Your mind don't want you to get good things right that time, but it always uh, it always for it always deny you to do the wrong, and it always push you to do the it always push you to do the wrong things right away. So analyze the analyze the habit of our mind. Don't blow in the flow of our mind, just control your mind. If you don't know, the book name is Power of Subconscious Mind. So just go and think like that. You will realize the power of our mind. How can we do whatever we can achieve? You know, whatever we can conceive, we can achieve. This is the right statement. But I think whatever we can conceive, we can achieve more than that if we realize the power of our mind. If we somehow can feel the power of our mind, then the magic will happen. The magic starts where the logic ends. You will never know that what is going with me. You will never going to feel that. You always find the logic behind the things are going with you, but you will never find that it is just a magic, right? So go right now. Today I don't have so much stuff to do, and I was not feeling to make video today, but a little bit push. I pushed myself a little bit, and today we are able to continuing this challenge to the 21 days. Let's make it done. Let's make it happen. Best of luck, guys.